Hi guys! In this video I'll be talking about how to generate a sound with electronic buzzers. We will need these parts. You know our three active and passive buzzers, female to male 2-pon wires. Electronic buzzers are DC powered and equipped with an integrated circuit. Buzzers can be categorized as active and passive ones. The one with a green circuit board is a passive buzzer, while the other enclosed with a black tape is an active one. The difference between the two is that an active buzzer has a built-in oscillating source, so it will generate a sound when electrified. A passive buzzer does not have such a source, so you need to use square waves to drive it. The buzzer has two pins, one is positive and one is negative. The positive pin is marked by a plus symbol on both the top and bottom of the buzzer. This will be the common schematic for both the active and passive buzzer today. Pin D12 will connect to the positive lead of the buzzer. The negative lead of the buzzer will connect to the ground. Sound waves are vibrations in the air pressure. The speed of the vibrations is what makes the pitch of the sound. Frequency is the number of wave cycles per second, and it is measured in hertz. The higher the frequency of the vibration, the higher the pitch. To hear the output, we need to attach something that will convert the electrical signal into sound waves. This can be done with a buzzer that uses a special crystal that expands and contracts as an electrical signal passes through it. This will generate a tone that we can hear. Let's do the wiring for the active buzzer now. I'm connecting ground to the negative lead of the buzzer. Next, I'm wiring the positive side of the buzzer to pin D12. This is the sketch for the active buzzer. In setup function, pin D12 is set as an output. In loop function, the buzzer is turned on for 3 seconds, then it is switched off for 1 second. Let's upload the sketch and hear it in action. Let's switch the active buzzer for the passive one now. The leads are the same length, so we need to check which is the plus side. This will be the sketch for the passive buzzer. The buzzer is connected to the same pin D12. To play a note of a particular pitch, you specify the frequency. The different frequencies for each note are kept in an array. Setup function is not needed for this program. The loop function is going to generate 8 different sounds, each sound lasting half a second. The Arduino command tone takes 3 parameters. The first is the pin to play the tone on, the second is the frequency of the tone to play, and the third is the duration of the tone in milliseconds. After playing the full array of tones, let's play them backwards as well. Let's upload the sketch and we'll hear the buzzer sing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.